Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different from what I usually do. In this video, I'm going to try a few filters from Instagram. Instagram has released and is releasing few filters to pass time during this quarantine time, and I have been enjoying using those filters. I thought I'll use those filters. Like they have this random question filters, never have I ever kind of filters, and some other fun filters, so I thought I'll share it with you. And I happened to see some quite interesting questions, so I also thought I'll answer those questions to you guys. So in this video I'll be doing my makeup and simultaneously I'll be playing around with those filters, answering you some random questions, some fun questions, trying some tongue twisters and gibberish accents basically. So yeah, today's video is going to be all about that. So if you guys want to know what I create, I have no idea what I'm going to create. I have something in my mind. I'm going to just let it go with the flow. If you guys want to chill out and pass some time, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, take a look at this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then if you feel like it's worth it, you can definitely subscribe. If not, then please do check my other videos in my channel. Yeah, you might consider subscribing. That's totally unnecessary. So I'm just going to start with today's video. My Instagram handle ID is this, guys. If you are not following me on Instagram, you can definitely follow me. So let me just start with the filters. First I'll try one filter and then I'll do my first step. So first let us try this random questions, okay? So let me start it. What is your favorite? Oh no. What time do you go to bed? What time do you wake up? Now it totally depends, guys. It depends on what I am doing. If I'm working on a video, I'd be like, I'm a night owl basically, not an early bird. So I do my stuff at night times, basically the editing or watching series, everything. I just allocate time at night time. So basically my sleep time would vary from 11 to 12, and then I wake up at 6:30, 6 to 6:30 or 7. Sometimes I do wake up at 9 o'clock as well, so it depends. So I have applied moisturizer. For moisturizer, I used my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Next, I'm going to prime my face, for which I'm using my Maybelline Master Prime Primer. The second question, who's your favorite influencer or content creator? First one would definitely be Kaushal. I love her so much. So the first one would be Kaushal. I like Jovita George, Mr. Jovita George. I like Shreya Jain, Bubs Beauty, Lindy from Bubs Beauty. Can I peek my Instagram account once so that I would know like whom I follow and I can, answer for this question? I like Victoria Lynn. I don't know the name, but I follow her page. We will lock down with just Kaushal, guys. She's the best for me. Like my all-time favorite. But she's not like very active right now, right? So I would say Jovita George and Shreya Jain. We'll finalize with that, okay? So orange is blended now. I'm just going to use my concealer. So I'm using my Wet n Wild concealer to balance the orange. You know what I see in my Instagram page right now? All I see is this KFC crispy chicken where I cannot eat. I just can imagine and see everything right now. Oh my god, it's so frustrating. This is what I see whenever I open my Instagram or YouTube. Like if I open YouTube, I get Dalgona coffee, I get 3-minute ovenless, eggless cakes, brownies, blah blah blah, things, blah blah blah. Everything is fine now. All are like very super easy. The thing is like with just Oreo biscuit, they are doing like cakes and muffins and all those sort of like yummy delicious things. But the thing is I'm not even able to get Oreo biscuit in our area. That's the problem here. It's like really very frustrating, Yesterday we were in a hunt for Maggie and we couldn't get Maggie in our area. And then I ended up eating Semia upma. So let us just move on with our next filter probably. We will come back to the random questions again. So we have got this tongue twister filter. So I'm just going to try a tongue twister. I will also place the tongue twister on the screen. Do try it, okay? Silly Sally swiftly shooed 7 silly sheep. Silly Sally swiftly, awesome. Silly Sally swiftly shoots 7 silly sheep. 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 Silly Sally swiftly shoots blah 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 blah. Okay, that's it. That's it. That was good. Okay, not bad. I did a good job. I think I did a good job. Definitely do try out. Okay. Also share me other tongue twisters in the comment section below. We will try. Okay. We will try. Now I'm going to move on with my foundation. Now I think before foundation, I probably would like to set my concealer base with some loose powder. I'm using my Stay Quickie loose powder. Share this with me, guys. How was quarantine treating you? Okay. I shared my experience. I can't eat anything. I basically want to eat something. I'm not hungry, but I'm craving some fast and junk food because I basically like to eat fast food and junk food, the not so healthy kind of stuffs. I'm totally missing them, but I'm really very thankful that I get what I need. But apart from that, the craving is like totally killing me. Okay, guys, we have got some tea. Would you like some tea? So for foundation, I am going to use my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. And then I'm going to be mixing my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Deep Sable. Now I will be doing a separate review on this foundation. The thing is, like, I'm waiting to get another shade of this foundation because this shade is a bit dark for me. So if I have to do a wear test, then I would not be able to wear it on the entire part of my face, right? So I'm just waiting to grab another shade. Once the lockdown is released, now I'll grab another shade and I'll do the video for you guys. Okay, please bear with me. So I'm going to be mixing these two shades. I have already got my Milani one here. And then this one is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm just going to mix and use it today. So random question while distancing. Ooh, okay. Last book you read. I'm so bad at reading books. That's not a very good thing to say. I'm definitely not very proud about it. But I have read like only 2 to 3 books. I have read I Too Had a Love Story. Both are like love story books, obviously. Okay, so I read I Too Had a Love Story by Ravinder Singh, I think. And then I read The Fault in Our Stars. After reading the book, I saw the movie and I cried. I cried the hell out. And I have this habit of, crying when I watch any emotional scenes. Do you guys have the habit? Do share it with me, okay? I have this habit. I cry watching any emotional scenes, be it like any emotional scene, be it like a happy emotional or sad emotional, I start crying. I really control it so bad when I'm with my friends or family, I just run to the washroom, I just cry it out and then I'll come back. My foundation is done, my base is done. Okay, so for highlighting and concealing, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in shade C13. So I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. Okay, definitely this is not going to highlight my face. So I feel like applying another shade that is lighter. Probably I'll go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in shade Caramel. That would brighten up my face. I don't know if I said this to you guys or not. Milani products smells so great and Makeup Revolution products smell so bad. Especially the concealer and foundation from this Conceal and Define range. No, it smells so bad. So I said I'll be using caramel, but I'm using light instead. I got this in PR. I can use this. I have used neutralizer on my skin before. It worked for me. So I'm just going to slightly dot the teeniest amount of it because this is super light, as you can see. And then I'm just blending it as such. Just working with whatever is left on the sponge. Then blending it. It's always good to have a very lighter shade, guys. If you want to brighten up your face, you can use the lighter shade, but be very careful while you use the lighter shade because it may end up looking gray at the end. And I'm also using the same sponge to blend this because it has the foundation and concealer of my shade. So it just gets mixed up and it won't be too light. So I'm just going to set my face with some powder. Okay, I'm baking it literally. Now quickly I'm going to fill in my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, eyebrows are done. I'm going to move on with the next step, but before that I'm going to answer another random question. So here we go. Guilty pleasure TV show. I don't have anything like that, but I do watch Frozen whenever my mood is not very good. I don't know. I have watched the Frozen Part 1 for over 50 times, for more than 50 times, definitely more than 50 times. And also, I do watch Disney songs from Aladdin, from Lion King, from Frozen, from Tangled. So, I don't have any TV shows, but I do this. It's like a guilty pleasure for me, because I watch the song for more than 5 times a day if I feel like watching it. I don't even know if that's a guilty one or not, but yeah, that's one thing I do. So today I went overboard with the concealer, not with the quantity but with the shade, because I'm going to do some colorful eye makeup. So first things first, I'm taking my Nicka K23 matte color palette. You know what, once this lockdown is done, I'm going to get a good color like this bright and neonish kind of color filled eye palette. Probably I'll be getting any one of the Morphe palettes. I do have to play around with different eye looks, so yeah, I'm planning on getting it. So yeah, I'm taking this light pink shade first and I'm going to work this on my transition area. Okay, just giving like a pinkish transition part for my eye look. And it's not going to be a eye makeup tutorial today guys, so I'm not going to get any close-up shots for you guys today, I'm sorry. I'm also using the next pink just to deepen up my socket, and I haven't set my eyelid with some powder because I want the color to be vibrant, so I skipped setting my eyelids with some powder once after the concealer was applied. Then I'm using my concealer and I'm just going to clean up the lid part just to apply my next color, just so that the next color would sit on the top of this well. Okay, yeah, this should do. So next I'm taking this green color. I definitely want something that would complement my top, so I'm taking the green color and I'm applying this on my lid part. Now I'm just going to get the pink color on my lower lash line as well, just a tiny bit. I was blabbering to the camera for the past 15 minutes without starting the record button. Let me try this once again. Actually, I was doing this boyfriend thing and some never have I ever question. So I think I'll have to do it once again, like the never have I ever segment. Stalked my ex's partner on social media. No, actually I don't have an ex, so I'm not going to stalk his partner. I mean, So then we have another filter which would give us one celebrity name, and that would be our famous boyfriend. So previously I got Harry Styles. For now, no, I don't want to. You know what? I definitely want DiCaprio. Once again, I just want to find out who my famous boyfriend is. Okay. Tom Holland. No. We will do one random question so that I can answer and do the next part of my makeup. Okay. What's your favorite smell? I like citrusy fruit smells. Yeah. I don't really know the name of that exact fragrance, but I really like citrusy smells. So I'm just bronzing my face with my Palladio bronzer. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to move to blush and highlighter, which I don't have here. So I'm just going to quickly go and pick some blush on. Oh, I have some blush. I have this Mellow Wine blush. Let me use it, okay. And then for highlighter, I will be using my eyeshadow palette. I have one Nykaa eyeshadow palette. In there, I have this shade. I can use it as a highlighter. I'm so super lazy to go to my vanity and get a good highlighter and blush, guys. Actually, this actually works as a good highlighter. I used to use this. And you actually can use eyeshadows as your highlighters, blushes as your eyeshadows, you know. You can always mix and match. I'm just going to finish my lips, complete my look, and then I'm going to do some questions. I'm lining my lips with this MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. Then I'm going to top Sugar Liquid Lipstick in shade Rethink Pink. It's a very bright fuchsia kind of pink. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work this pink as my eyeliner. That's why I did my black wing liner in a very cranky crooked way. So I'm using my eyeliner brush and the lipstick. And I'm just going to put this as my liner. For those who would like to see a closer look of my eye look. I really want to try the gibberish accent one with you guys. So let me just do that now. Okay. And I look super ridiculous in my phone cam right now. Spend about all. Spend about all? Is that even a word? I don't know. Spend about all. Spin the bottle. Alright. Let me try another, okay? Black Friday. Black Friday. Black Friday. Yeah, got it. This gibberish thing is so addictive, you know. It's very nice actually. When you get the grip, you'll be able to. Don't talk to strangers. Don't talk to strangers. Don't talk to strangers. Do not talk to strangers. See? Shake your rum, state of harm. Shake for rum. Shake for rum, state of harm. I don't know what that is. Okay, whatever. Jake from State Farm. No, that's not working. 50 Shades of Grey. 50 Shades of Grey. 50 Shades of Grey. This is so fun. Pictures Heat Belltown. Pictures Eat Belltown. Pictures Eat Belltown. Pictures Eat Belltown. Oh, Pictures Eat Belltown. My daughter's praying nut. My daughter's praying. My daughter's pregnant. Okay, I at least got my daughter's. Kombucha. So let me just stop the gibberish thing right now, and then I'm going to finish my look with some mascara. I'm using my Color Bar mascara, and I'm applying some good coat of this on my upper and lower lashes. Would you rather lose your phone or wallet? I think I'll lose my wallet because I don't have anything in my wallet. Just like I could. Oh no. Wait, let me think. I'll lose my phone. It's okay. Let it go. I'll lose my phone. This is for all La Casa de Papel fans. Where's the money? Okay, let me do Never Have I Ever. Never have I ever lied to my parents? Of course, everybody does it, okay? Never have I ever stolen something. Yes, I have stolen. I'm definitely not going to tell what and when and where and how and all those details, but I have. Let me try once again this famous boyfriend thing. It's like really nice. I want Cole Sprouse or Brendan Urie. Yeah, fine. I'm okay with him. I'm okay with him being my boyfriend, you know? And I really want to try this Friends character. I'm even okay with Chandler. I knew it. This is getting out of hand and I'm getting addictive once again. So let me just quickly do one last. I'm searching what to do with the last one. I'll do the random question thing for the last one time. Okay. Random question. Here we go. How would you spend $100 million? That's too hard. I'll get a house. I'll go on a cruise. I'll give a good amount. I'll donate a good amount to some good charity or something like that. I'll get a trip arranged to my parents if they are okay with it. I'm damn sure that I'll be spending it in a wiser way. Okay, so yeah, I would definitely not waste $100 million for sure. So yeah, with that, I would like to conclude today's video. I really hope you guys liked today's video and just found something to pass your time. Also, let me know if you like this look or not. Definitely not my cup of tea, but I kind of like it. It's like good to go with these kind of colors once in a while, you know. After all, this is just makeup. We can just wipe it off if you don't want this on our face. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video and found this video as a good pastime. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below all your answers for the questions we had in this video. It will be really very fun. With that being said, I would like to end today's video. I will see you all in my next one, guys. Bye. Never have I ever lied about my age. No. I'm 24 years old. Come on. Okay, we do have another filter, like which friend's character are you? Okay, now let me see. Seriously? We have a filter called Angel Calculator, and for no reason I have downloaded it. We will see, okay, how much of an angel I am. 60%. It says 60%. Cool. Got it. And also I have something called How Spicy Are You? Okay, we will try. How spicy am I? Lemon and herb.